ChatGPT can now edit videos. Here's how this works. You give the video to ChatGPT, write the command that you want to edit in the video, and ChatGPT will edit and give you the result. The reality is that it's not that simple, and here's why the problem with the ChatGPT editing comes with. First, you need ChatGPT 4, means that you have to pay $20 per month to get access to these features. Second, you can't actually edit a full-length video. On recent episode of Overpowered, Varun, the host of the show, gives a set of instruction to ChatGPT, like to clip this video till 7 seconds, add blur to the bottom of the video and add subtitles to it. To which the ChatGPT responds that it can't do because it's an AI language model. Obviously, you are giving $20 a month to an AI language model. But after some tries, when Varun Maya said ChatGPT to at least clip it, ChatGPT was actually able to crop that video, and that was interesting. So, if you want to do some basic editings, you can go with ChatGPT or you can explore video editing with ChatGPT, but what I suggest is it's not worth it because paying $20 just to edit an videos, that doesn't sound right because you can pay that money to access Premiere Pro or any free open source video editor. But the impressive thing here is that day by day ChatGPT is getting more access to more features, making it really powerful assistant. Also, using Stable Diffusion and Roop extension, I AI generated Zendaya into an Indian model and made her wear an Indian sari. Click on this video to see the results, and I will see you in the next video.